This lesson we want to graph a system of linear inequalities. Our strategy will be to graph each inequality separately using different colors to dramatize where the solutions overlap. If you had difficulty in graphing an inequality with two variables, now would be an excellent time to review that topic. Let's begin by solving this system by graphing for y minus x less than negative 2, 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. Let's begin by looking at the equation y minus x less than negative 2. If we add x to both sides of the equation, we have y less than x minus 2. Remember, first we want to look at the equation and find the border. So let's see, if we select values of x, calculate some values of y. If x is 0, we put 0 in there, we get negative 2. If x is 2, we get 0. And if x is 4, we get 2. So we have 0, negative 2. We have 2, 0. We have 4, 2. So let's connect these. Now remember that we have to keep it as a dotted line until we decide whether to include the border or to not include the border. And notice in this particular inequality we have less than. It does not include equal, so it will not include the border, so it's a dotted line. Now we have to decide, is it the upper half over here or the lower half? So we select the point. Let's take 0, 0, since 0, 0 is not on the border. Let's put it into our original equation. 0 minus 0 less than negative 2. True or false? 0 less than negative 2. This is a false statement. Therefore 0, 0 is not the correct side. So that means the graph, we want the half plane below. That takes care of y minus x less than negative. Now let's look at the other inequality, 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. For this one, let's use the intercept method. Let's let x equal 0. So we have 2 times 0 minus y. And we're going to look at the equation to find the boundary or the border first. So we have negative y equals 8. So y equals negative 8. So we have 0, negative 8. That will be right here. I'm sorry. 0, negative 8. We down here. Now let's let y equal 0. So we have 2x minus 0 equals 8. 2x equals 8, or x equals 4. So we have x is 4, y is 0. So we have 4, 0. Let's connect these dots. And we have that border. Now, we have to select either the left half plane or the right half plane. Let's again pick the point 0, 0. If we put 0, 0 into the original inequality, we have 2 times 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 8. Is 0 less than or equal to 8? This is a true statement. So we want the half plane on this side, the one that it does in fact include 0, 0. Now notice here that this does have or equal to, so we want to change our dashed line into a solid line. Now the solution to this system is where we have the red and the black together, which is a triangular region, which would be this region right here.